EZYTEK Clean. Power of cleaning. Presenting. Hot and cold high-pressure equipment. This commercial high-pressure hot water cleaner is ideal to use in automobile, hospitality, engineering industry etc. to degrease only surfaces and stubborn scales. The use of the hot water combined with high pressure successfully removes the most toughest of dirt and muck. Extremely efficient for washing off any vehicles, trucks, buses, automobiles, house stands, motorcycles, trains, mechanical parts, oil and wine silos, any industrial floor, parking areas, roofs, external walls etc. Hot and cold machine manufacturing and customized as per required specification. Technical specification: EC 5 horsepower, EC 7.5 horsepower. Plunger pumps water jet cleaning machine, which is used to remove mold, grime, dust, mud and dirt from various objects such as buildings, concrete road surfaces and many more industrial applications. High pressure jetting machine manufacturing and customized as per required specification. Technical specification: